In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reward for a client in Fresha. So let's get started and dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Fresha dashboard. This is your main hub for all things related to your client management, appointments, and services. Once you're comfortably set up there, let's move on to the next step. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. You'll want to locate and click on the Clients section. It's easily recognizable as it's marked with a cheerful smiley icon. This will direct you to another menu where we're going to take a closer look at your client details. Now, with the Clients section open, keep your eyes on the left where you'll see something labeled as Client List. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all your clients. This is where you can manage client details, view histories, and most importantly, add rewards. What you'll see next is a neat display of your client list, showcasing all the clients you've worked with. To proceed, find and click on the specific client that you'd like to edit. This part is straightforward. Just scroll, find the client, and give their name a click. As soon as you click on the client's name, a pop-up window will appear. It's designed to give you easy access to a wide range of options related to that particular client. Within this window, there's an Action button, sitting pretty, waiting for you to click it. Once you do, a drop-down menu will offer you several choices. But what we're interested in today is the Add Reward option. So go ahead and select that. Now, you're faced with a decision. When you click Add Reward, you'll notice an option for Free Product. This is where you get to pick the product you'd like to offer as a reward. If you have a specific product in mind, select it. However, if you're feeling generous or unsure, you can always choose to leave it open for all products. This flexibility allows you to tailor your rewards to different clients based on their history or preferences. Once you've made your choice, the final step is extraordinarily simple. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Add button. A simple click there will confirm your reward selection, and just like that, you're done. And there you have it. You've successfully added a reward for your client in Fresha in just a few straightforward steps. It's a quick and effective way to show appreciation to your clients and keep them coming back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your client relationship.